Hello students, it's Mr. Anderson again with just a quick 4-minute mix as we call it, and in this one I will share with you how to use your Sora application, which allows you access to OverDrive materials. So after you've downloaded the Sora app, you're going to have to go in and open it up, and with this screen grab you'll see it automatically is a Chinese International School because it's from my phone. But what you'll do is you'll say, I need to find Chinese International School. And once you see our school, click on This is my school. When you get into Chinese International School, it'll show that up here. And then under username and password, you're going to use your Moongate username and password. Very simple, straightforward stuff. So whether you're using in the App Store with Apple or using an Android device, everything should look very, very similar. Download the app, open it, find Chinese International School, sign in with your Moongate username. Once you've done that, then you have the availability of our whole collection. And you can just begin browsing. When you're browsing, pay attention to what's happening. So this is the home screen that I land on. And you'll notice that if there are these headphone icons, those are audio books. And then you'll see other books that don't have the headphone icon, which means that is a text-based item. And so you can either just browse or click on look at over 470 books. That's what I did in this case. And it pulled up, well, there are some options here. So you can search by genre, young adult, however you'd like to do it. If you're a fantasy reader, you can choose that. Or in the case that I'm showing here, you could click on More, and then More is going to show you the number of titles that we have in these different genres. So you can scroll through and take a look at those. Another way to search is you can say, I need to find a book. And the way I got there is by clicking on the home screen. And then I clicked on Find a Book. And then up here at the magnifying glass, I can type in the title that I would like to find. So that's a simple search, just basic, this is the title or author I'm looking for. If you want to get a little more advanced about it, you could say something more particular about exactly what you're looking for. So it all depends on what your preferences are. In my case, I chose to search for His Dark Materials, and the result came up as such. We have 3 ebooks that are dealing with that and 2 audiobooks. I can read a sample if I want to. If I know that's the book I want, I can simply click Borrow. Totally up to you how you would want to do it. Or you can create a list of books that you'd like to read. So you have a few options when you're here. If you're ready to borrow, again, I can click Borrow here after I've maybe done a preview and gotten a sense of things, or I could have chosen Borrow here. And it's going to simply download the book directly onto your device, that being either a tablet or your phone. And once you have it, start reading. And that's all you have to do. Very, very simple to use. Your books will automatically be returned after 2 weeks of use, but you can go back and renew, or if you're not quite finished, you can even renew ahead of the due date. So you have 2 weeks, but the nice thing is you don't have to worry about getting the book turned in on time. It'll just automatically do it for you. So I hope that was helpful for you. Enjoy your reading on Sora.